welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super special because I'm partnering up with the brand SilkSilky, and they reached out to me and they sent me a few of their products to try and review. So before we go on with the video, I would like to thank SilkSilky for collaborating with me, and I hope that you will like their products as much as I do. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All of SilkSilky products are made of 100% pure mulberry silk, to not be confused with satin. It is hypoallergenic, which makes it an excellent choice for anyone with sensitive skin. It is also antibacterial and anti-aging because it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It nourishes your skin, keeping it soft and supple, making it ideal for skincare and health. It's breathable and regulates the body temperature, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, which makes it great to be worn during any season. The first product they sent me is a cute pajama short set in the color pink, and this is in the size S and it fits me perfectly. This summer pajama set is designed with supreme comfort, great quality, and a unique style that keeps you cool on those warm nights. The material is super soft and smooth, and when worn, it is super comfortable and light. It also comes in a variety of colors like dark blue, black, steel blue, wine, green, lavender, and purple gray. On their website, there is a Find My Size option and a size guide to help you choose the right size for you. They also sent a floral printed square scarf in the color pink, and this can be worn around your neck, wrapped in your hair, or tied on a purse as well as on a hat or handbag. It is versatile and easy to match, definitely a delicate piece to complete your wardrobe. They have two delivery options, which are standard shipping, which takes 7 to 12 business working days, and express shipping that takes 3 to 5 working days. For more information, you can check their shipping method section on their website. Their products are suitable to be gifts for many occasions like birthdays, Christmas, and also one thing that I really liked is that they have couple pajamas, and that will be a perfect gift for your loved ones on special days like Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or monthsaries, and I think that that is a really cute gift. They also provide a service of writing cards if you leave a remark when ordering, and also you can use my discount code, which is MARJ10, for 10% off of your purchases on their website. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to purchase these pajamas and the little scarf, I've left the link in the description box below, and of course don't forget to use my discount code MARJ10 for 10% off your purchases. And once again, thank you so much to SilkSilky for partnering up with me for today's video, and I will see you in my next vlog. Always be kind, be safe, and God bless you. I love you. Bye!